In this week's problem, we're putting the first 10 letters of the alphabet in a grid such that no consecutive letters touch left, right, up, down, or diagonally. And looking at all these letters reminds us of the Latin Middle School's long participation in the Chicago area spelling bee, and for the past 3 years, the school has sent a representative to Washington, D.C. for the National Spelling Bee, brought to you at home on ESPN. Well, let's get on with this problem. We're looking at the letter E, and since E is surrounded by D and F, the only two squares that can hold the D and the F are up at the top and way to the left, so we've placed them in. We don't know which is which yet, but there they are. And then we look at the bottom square, and it's affected by the E, the A, and the H. Only the C and the J fit. The two that just popped up hold the B, C, and J because they're next to the E and the H. And then this one has 4 possibilities. It's affected by the E and the A. And our final square has 5 possibilities. But as soon as we put those 5 letters in there, we remember that the D and the F have been placed. And because of where they have to be, we can remove the C and the G from the square that we just looked at. And then we see there's only one G left on the board, so there it is. And once the G goes there, there's only one I left on the board, so there it is. And then we realize that F and G can't go together, so that solves that dilemma. The D goes on the left, the F goes on the top. Then we examined the 2 B's. They can only go in 2 places, so the C can't touch either one of those B's, so the C has to go at the bottom. The J can't go next to the I, so it goes to the upper right. The B goes below the F as shown. There you have it, the answer to this week's problem of the week.